Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you something really simple, how to crochet a heart. So this tutorial is really simple. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and give my video a big thumbs up. And for this tutorial, I'm going to be using a 5mm crochet hook because I want the size of this heart to be big. So if you want the size of the heart to be big, you have to use a biggest crochet hook. So to make this heart, we're going to start with a magic circle. And we chain 2. So into the magic ring, we're going to work 3 treble crochet. And if you're new to crochet, if you're a beginner, just a triple crochet is yarning over twice and pulling through 2 yarns until you have 2 yarns left on your hook, and you pull through 2. Everything, you yarn twice, you pull up a loop, you yarn through 2 loops, you yarn through another 2 loops. So we have 2 of that. We need to do 1 more. We need 3 treble crochet into the magic ring, and that is the 3rd treble crochet. And we're going to work another 3 double crochet into the magic ring. And a double crochet is to yarn over once and pull through the first 2 loops and pull through the last 2 loops. When we have 3 double crochet, we chain 1 and another 3 double crochet into the ring. So after 3 double crochet, we are going to work again back into the ring, 3 treble. So we have 3 treble crochet. Now to end this, we are going to do a chain of 2, and then we'll slip stitch into the magic ring and close the yarn. And yeah, we're going to pull the yarn of the magic ring. After we slip stitch, then we chain 1, then we fasten off. And this is it. We're just going to pull these 2 strands tight, and we are going to weave this in, weaving the strand with a darning needle. And that is it. We've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section. See you in the next one.